In a world driven by innovation, where technology and industry merge seamlessly, CTI Resources emerges as a leading force. For over 2 decades, we have pioneered the digital transformation of industries in Malaysia and beyond, from the first Windows-based SCADA systems to today's cutting-edge solutions. Our journey has always been about one thing: your success. At CTI Resources, we believe that true innovation comes from collaboration. Our team of experts, partners, and clients work hand in hand to create solutions that don't just meet industry standards, but set them. Our solutions go beyond technology. They're about creating a smarter, more efficient, and secure future. From advanced SCADA to predictive analytics, we're not just keeping up with the times, we lead in the change. Across industries, our solutions are making a difference, enhancing efficiency, improving sustainability, and driving growth. We're transforming how businesses operate, from manufacturing to water management. As we move into the next era of industrial revolution, CTI Resources is at the helm, guiding industries towards a future where technology and human ingenuity work in perfect harmony. Join us in shaping the future of industry. Partner with CTI Resources, and together we'll create the solutions of tomorrow, today.